So this is the actually OSI model summary. There is a 7 layers. First layer is a application layer. Application layer is a protocols. It may be the web, email, file transfer protocol or something else. So these are the stateful application layers and security appliances are using. Multi-layer switch are working over this transport layer as well. And when data is coming on the presentation layer, there is a decompression or the encryption or the compression happened, then it is sent to the session layer. Once data reach to the session layer, then forward on the transport layer. Here is a TCP, UDP and their port numbers are assigned. And also data is divided into some parts. The parts are called the segment, small pieces. For the example, there is a 10 MB data. It is not possible to send the 10 MB data in a single packet. So it is divided into small parted. Approximately the 1500 kilobytes the data, 1500 bytes the data to approximately 2500 maximum. Segment, then network reach or the segment reach on the network layer where the IP addresses are set. IP addresses means the source IP address as well as the destination IP address. Source IP or destination IP address attached. And it is called the datagram or the packet. Then data forward in a next layer on the layer 2 where the MAC addresses are established or attached on this data. Now it is called as a frame. Here is the devices are working bridge and switch, and here is device are working firewall, basic firewall and the router. Now the network adapter is using the transducer. It is also called, you can get the connector, which is receiving and transmitting the data. Then cable, your media converter and the hub used in this layer. So it is all about the OSI model layer, which we had discussed about the open system interconnection model, which is developed by ISO and having the 7 layers. We have described about the addressing and the encapsulation process and described detailed information about the layer 1, layer 2, layer 3 and layer 4 physical data network and transport layer. And also we have described about the upper layer which is considering is a layer number 5, 6 and the 7. 5 is a session layer, 6 is a presentation layer and 7th is a application layer.